Imagine this. You pull up to your home, park your sleek Tesla, and plug it in. Not to an ordinary outlet, but to the power of the sun. No more gas stations, no more hefty electricity bills. This is the future of driving, and it's closer than you think. Solar charging is no longer a futuristic fantasy. With solar panels on your rooftop, you can harness the sun's energy to fuel your Tesla, reducing your carbon footprint and saving money on fuel costs. But how does it all work? Can solar panels truly provide enough energy to keep your Tesla running? Let's delve into the world of solar charging. Get ready to experience the thrill of driving powered by the sun. Can solar panels generate enough power to charge a Tesla fully? The answer is a resounding yes. Advancements in solar technology have made it entirely possible to charge your Tesla using only the power of the sun. The key lies in understanding your energy needs and the capacity of your solar panel system. A typical Tesla Model 3 requires around 75 kilowatt hours of energy for a full charge, providing a driving range of over 300 miles. A well-designed solar panel system strategically placed to maximize sunlight exposure can generate enough power to meet these needs. With proper planning and installation, you can achieve energy independence and enjoy the satisfaction of driving a truly sustainable vehicle. Investing in a Tesla solar charging station is an investment in a greener future, but it's essential to understand the costs involved. The price of solar panels has dropped significantly in recent years, making it more affordable than ever to harness the power of the sun. The cost of your Tesla solar charging station will depend on several factors, including the size of your solar panel system and the complexity of the installation process. On average, a solar panel system capable of fully charging a Tesla can range from $15,000 to $25,000. Not only will you save money on fuel costs, but you may also be eligible for government incentives and tax credits designed to promote the adoption of renewable energy sources. There's Section 4, From Sunlight to Speed, How Solar Energy Charges Your EV. Now that you have a clearer picture of the costs involved, let's explore the fascinating journey of how solar energy transforms into the power that propels your Tesla. It all starts with the sun's rays hitting your rooftop solar panels. These panels are made up of photovoltaic cells which act like tiny energy converters. When sunlight strikes these cells, it knocks electrons loose from atoms, creating a flow of direct current, or DC, electricity. The inverter converts the DC electricity generated by your solar panels into AC electricity, making it compatible with your Tesla's charging system. Once the conversion is complete, the AC electricity flows to your Tesla's onboard charger, ensuring a safe and efficient charge. And just like that, the power of the sun is stored in your Tesla's battery, ready to be unleashed on the road. Section 5, Your Rooftop, Your Charging Station, a step-by-step guide. Charging your Tesla with rooftop solar panels is remarkably simple and convenient. Here's a step-by-step guide to walk you through the process. First, ensure your solar panel system is connected to your home's electrical grid. This connection allows you to draw power from the grid when your solar panels aren't generating enough energy, such as during nighttime or cloudy days. Next, plug your Tesla into a compatible charging cable connected to your home's electrical system. You can use a standard Tesla charging cable or a wall connector for faster charging speeds. Then set your Tesla's charging preferences. You can adjust the charging current and schedule charging times through your Tesla's touchscreen display or mobile app. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly charge your Tesla using the clean and sustainable power of the sun. Section 6, Tesla Solar, your all-in-one solution for solar charging. Tesla is committed to accelerating the world's transition to sustainable energy, and its solar charging solutions are a testament to that mission. Tesla Solar offers a comprehensive suite of products designed to seamlessly integrate solar energy into your home and your Tesla. Tesla's solar panels are renowned for their sleek design, high efficiency, and durability. To complement its solar panels, Tesla also offers the Powerwall, a home battery system that stores excess solar energy generated during the day. This stored energy can then be used to power your Tesla at night or during power outages, ensuring you're always ready for your next adventure. Tesla's solar charging kits provide everything you need to start harnessing the power of the sun, from the solar panels and Powerwall to the inverters and mounting hardware. With Tesla's expert installation and comprehensive warranties, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your solar charging system is in good hands. Section 7. Drive green, drive clean, the perks of solar-powered driving. Choosing to charge your Tesla with solar energy is a decision that comes with a wide range of benefits, both for you and the environment. Let's explore the compelling advantages of making the switch to solar. First, reduce your carbon footprint. Solar energy is a clean and renewable energy source that produces no harmful emissions. By charging your Tesla with solar power, you'll significantly reduce your reliance on fossil fuels and minimize your impact on the environment. Second, save money on fuel costs. With solar charging, you'll enjoy the freedom of powering your Tesla without relying on expensive gasoline or fluctuating electricity prices. Third, become energy independent. By embracing solar charging for your Tesla, you're not just choosing a sustainable mode of transportation, you're investing in a brighter and cleaner future for generations to come.